This video is sponsored by NGK, the ignition specialist, and NTK, the sensor specialist. Visit ngksparkplugs.com to learn more.
Knock sensors do not have an easy life. Typically, either they're in the V of the engine or on the side of the block below a very hot exhaust or intake manifold. Under these conditions, they can fail. Some conditions, well, they fail due to moisture getting into the different layers of the sensor itself and damaging the piezoelectric element or some of the diaphragms inside. When they do fail, it causes a myriad of problems for the vehicle. Typically, the engine, it'll go into a safe mode where it controls the fuel trims so it won't go too lean or too rich. Also, it will look at the misfire monitor to make sure everything is functioning properly instead of using the knock sensor to control spark and also fuel trims. So how does a knock sensor work? It detects knocks. As you can see, when I hit this on my hand, it changes the voltage. This sensor actually produces AC voltage. That's why my meter is set to AC volts. This is a sign that the piezoelectric crystal, when it is moving back and forth, is generating energy, which means it's detecting a knock signal. Keep in mind, a lot of the knock sensors are tuned for the vehicle. In other words, they're going to produce the right amount of voltage under the right conditions. Also, remember, when the engine starts up, it sends out a bias voltage signal. It knows the resistance in the piezoelectric element and also the wiring harness going to the knock sensor itself. This way it knows if there's any issues with the connector itself. Just keep this in mind when you're diagnosing one of these to check it and make sure it's functioning properly. Also, look at the wiring. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.